You've probably heard of carbon monoxide detectors, but do you know how they work, how to test them, and why they're important? In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know to keep your home safe in under 5 minutes.
Hey Carly.
Hi Brooke.
Finally moved into the new place this weekend.
Wow, how exciting.
It's so exciting. I just feel like I'm forgetting something.
Do you have a carbon monoxide detector?
No.
Oh my gosh, well, it's very common to forget with new homeowners. Let me help you.
So what is carbon monoxide?
So carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas that can be really dangerous. It comes from appliances like gas stoves, furnaces, and even water heaters if they're not working properly.
That sounds really scary. You can't even smell it?
No, and that's why detectors are so important, because they're your warning system if something does go wrong.
So I actually have some of these, but how do they even work?
So these will monitor the air for carbon monoxide and sound an alarm if the levels are too high. So they're very similar to a smoke alarm. They're small, battery powered, and very, very loud when they go off.
So how can I tell if it's working?
So there's usually a test button on the front. You can press it and hold it for a few seconds and it should beep very loudly. If it doesn't beep, then either the batteries need to be replaced or you might just need a new detector.
How often do I need to check the batteries?
Ideally once a month, but it only takes a few seconds.
Sounds easy enough. So should I just assume the batteries go bad? How often would I need to change it?
Ideally once a year. You can just take the unit off the wall, slide the panel off, and the batteries are back here. Usually they take AA or 9-volt batteries.
Once I change it, is it good to go back up on the wall?
I would test it one more time, and some detectors even have 10-year batteries, so it's best to just check the model.
How long would this last before I have to get a new detector?
So even if it's working, they won't last forever. Usually it's best to change it every 5 to 7 years, and there should be a date on the back of your package as to when they expire.
So do I only need this one? Where do I put it?
It's good to have one on every floor of your home. It's best to put them near sleeping areas or gas appliances, and don't put it near windows as that could give the detector a bad reading.
So this isn't really as complicated as I thought it was going to be.
No, yeah, just test it regularly, check the batteries, and replace it every few years. And keep in mind that there's many types of carbon monoxide detectors, so be sure to find the one that works for you in your home. So for example, this one is battery powered and wall mounted. This detector plugs into an electrical outlet and it's digital. And this one is also digital, but it's portable, so you can just carry it around your house if you want.
So one way you could test this thing is to hold it up to your car's exhaust and see if the reading goes up. Ooh, it's fogging up. Ooh, it's hot. It's at 18, 21. Let me defog. Defogging. 38, 42. 42.
Whoa!
Ah! Ooh, it's hot. It's working.
Carbon monoxide is silent but deadly. A working detector can save your life. Take a few seconds today to check your carbon monoxide detector and let us know if it's working.
If you didn't know any of that either, now you do. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and stay safe.